Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. Now today I got reached out to by a company called SUPEREQ and they sent me out these. They're S1 headphones. These are a pair of studio headphones that claim to be able to do ANC, active noise cancelling, as well as a pass-through mode for under £50. Now today we're going to take a look around the box, take a look at what we get in the box, and I'm going to give my first impressions on this and tell you if this is something that you should be maybe considering for that Christmas season coming up. If you're looking for a cheaper pair of headphones for a partner, a child, then these could be a really good choice. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. But of course, if this is the first time you're seeing my face on your screen, then one, lucky you. And two, get down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. Now, tomorrow we have the PS5 launch and I'm really excited. I've got it coming in the post and I cannot wait to get an unboxing done for you guys and to also start to play with it and review it. Anyway, let's get right into this video where we look at the SUPEREQ S1s. Okay, so here we are with the SUPEREQ box. These are of course the S1s, as I noted earlier. They come with a 24-month warranty, which is pretty incredible for a product like this. And we also got a picture of the headphones on the front there. I went with the white and red option. They do have other colour options as well, and they'll be in the description down below if you want to pick some up. I've got links there for the US and UK Amazon, and I think there might even be a little cheeky discount code if we're lucky. So let's take a look around the box. Straight away, the headphones on the front here, I can see they very much take their looks from something like the Beats Studio 3s. Not a bad thing, but they very much do look like that, and from a distance you'd probably think that they were, bar the SUPEREQ logo there on the side. So as we look around the box, we have Be Young, Be Free, and it seems to be written in big green writing all around this box as well. On the back you've got some of those specifications. I'm going to pause it here. If you want to read them, they are there. And a little bit more information as well, including what they claim is a 45-hour playback time, which if true is incredible, and we're going to put that to the test. I suspect that's without the ANC and without the pass-through mode. So let's go ahead, open up the box and see what else we get in here. I'm just going to pull the box off to the side and pull each item out individually and we can take a look. So of course one of the first things we get is all of that paperwork. It's there if you want to read it. I probably won't, but there you go. And other than that, we have a black bag. It's a pleather bag. But it's really nice to see that they have a bag included. It's rare to see people including bags with their headphones. It's got the SUPEREQ logo on it, but let's take a look at what's on the inside. We of course do get the headphones on, and we'll drop those off to the side while we take a look at what else is in here. We do get a little bag of accessories. It appears to be 2 cables and something else, so let's take a look at what that is. It is an aeroplane adapter. You've got the 2-to-1. So if you're using these on an aeroplane, remember to bring the adapter with you. There is the charging cable. This one is a micro USB. It's a bit of a shame that it's a micro USB. I'd have liked to have seen USB-C here, but micro USB will do. At the end of the day, charging this thing, you're probably going to have one of these cables about anyway. But if it was USB-C, for me, it would be one less cable to carry about. I think this is one of the only devices I have now that has that micro USB. And we also have that 3.5mm headphone cable. If you decide that you want to use these with a device that still supports 3.5, you can do so with this cable. And of course, we do get the headphones themselves. They do fold up into this style, which is very similar to those Beats again, but really good for being able to package these up and carry them around. You're not having to carry around big, hefty headphones. So as we pull them out there, I love how these look. That very subtle red colouring accent along the top. The band itself is quite soft, but the memory foam cups here are probably the softest bit. in general, I like how these look. These look really fancy. You've got the Super EQ logo there. Along the top, you've got a microphone one side and a microphone the other. You have a couple of buttons as well, but let's take a look at those now. So we of course have that power cord, that power port, that 3.5mm port, a button that will change you between ANC mode on, ANC mode off, and that pass-through as well as another microphone and a volume rocker and that power button. So of course these are Bluetooth. You can power them on and you can connect them via Bluetooth, but you can also use that cable there as well. The ANC and pass-through will still work whichever device you're using, whether that's powered through the cable or Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and get these put on, take a look at how they look when they're on my head, and also have a look at that ANC mode and pass-through and see if it's really worth it. So generally though, I think these are beautiful headphones. We've got that Be Young and Be Free writing as well. But yes, from a distance I'd say these look like Beats 3s. Let's go ahead and have a look at them on my head though. So as you can see, these are a nice over-ear fit actually, and personally they look pretty stylish. I don't know what you guys think, but I like the way that they look. They're fairly understated. You've got that nice pop of colour along the top here. They do come in a couple of different colours, and I'll put them up down in the description so you can pick them up as well from Amazon, both UK and US. So pick your colour. There's quite a few. But let's just take them off and have a little bit of a play with how durable they are. So I'm just going to... These do not feel like they're going to break at all. These feel strong and sturdy, and that's what you need from a pair of headphones like this. So I'm just going to put them on and turn on the... I'm guessing it's that one to turn it on. So I just got my power on notification. These are incredible. If you remember my Tron Smart review from a couple of weeks ago where I looked at a pair of ANC earbuds, this is exactly the same technology and works in exactly the same way. You could walk across the street wearing these and you would hear your environment around you. It's incredible stuff. I could have a conversation with someone in the office by just a tap of a button. And that noise cancelling is also pretty amazing. Like, that's cut out a lot of the hum in the room around me, which is pretty impressive. So there we go. They are the SUPEREQ S1s. I wasn't expecting a lot when they sent these out to me, but actually they have blown me away in terms of actual quality. The cushions even on the ear cups are really nice and soft. I feel like I could wear these for a long period of time and I probably wouldn't feel it. Anyway guys, this has been my unboxing and first look at the SUPEREQ S1s. If you want to pick up a pair of these, then I will have the link in the description down below. There might even be a coupon code there for you. So go ahead, get these ordered. These would make a perfect Christmas present, I think. And as I use these over the next few days, I will have a full review as well, because I haven't had a chance to listen to any kind of music off of these yet, so they might sound rubbish. But based upon my experience so far, I really doubt that's the case. Anyway guys, my name's been Robert, this has been Review Clue, and if you enjoyed this video, get down there, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.